On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing using free traffic source as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that you don't need to spend any money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Teespring, you can join Warrior Plus, or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Teespring. Teespring is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can create an account and then find offers to promote on this platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote on Teespring to earn money from home. There are a lot of them, so what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then select any of them that you want. If you want, you can also come right here at the left hand side and then select any category of products that you want to promote. They have physical products and digital products. So when you click on digital products, you see a whole lot of different category of digital products that you can promote. You can see they have betting system, music and dance, dating, love and relationships, email marketing, education, family and case, and many others. They have a lot of different categories of digital products that you can promote. You can see green products and environment protection. You can see hobby and handicraft, home and garden, hotels, and then many others. You can see a whole lot of them. So just click on any of the categories that you want so that you can find a product to promote. If you also want to promote any of these products, you can see one of them you're going to be earning $410.45. So any kind of product that you want, you can find it on Teespring to promote. They have physical products, so if you want the physical products, you can click right here, physical products. Once you click on it, you can promote skincare products or supplements. Any of them that you want, you can click on it to promote. In this case, because of the traffic source that we are going to be using, I'm going to search for a specific product that we can easily get conversing using the traffic source that I'm about to show you. So what you have to do is that you have to search for jobs. Just search for jobs. Once you type it, click right here, search, so that you can find jobs to promote on this platform. Once you click on it, you can see these are jobs that you can promote. You can see this job right here. If you promote it, you are going to be earning $119.36 per every sale that you get. There are a lot of different digital jobs. You can see a whole lot of them. Get paid as live chat assistant. This is also a job that you can promote. The next one, you can see smartphone cash machine. You are going to be earning $58 per every sale that you get. You can see this one, get paid to do simple writing jobs online. If you promote it, you are going to be earning $11.74. You can see get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. If you promote it, you are going to be earning $20 per every sale that you get. You can see the next one, 5 online. It is in German, so I can't read it, but you can see 5 online. It is also a job that you can promote to earn money anytime you get a sale. You can see a whole lot of different jobs, but most of them, the language is in German. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting the offers that is in English, because the traffic source that we are going to be using, most of them understand English, so we have to promote an offer that is in English. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this product right here, get paid as live chat assistant. So I'm going to be promoting this offer. To promote it, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, a page will open like this so that you can get more details of the product. You can see a whole lot of different details. The next step is that you have to look at the landing page of the product. So click right here, sales page. Once you click on it, you can be able to see the landing page of the product. As you can see, this is the landing page of the product. You can see this is the landing page of the product. Our potential customers, they can watch a video and then get more information about the product before they purchase it. They can also take a survey. Once they take the survey, it will determine whether they are qualified for this job or not. So this is exactly what our potential visitors are going to see. Once you have seen the landing page of the product, the next step is that you have to look at the affiliate support page. On this page, you get to know the resources that the product owner has for you that you can use to promote the product. So click on affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, the product owner has a lot of different resources that we can use to promote the product. You can see they have landing pages, email swipes, banners, product images, Pinterest pins, videos, pay-per-click ads, SMS ads, demographics. So any of these resources that we want, we can use it to promote the product. Now once you have been able to get more information about the product, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product so that you can be making money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is mamediads.com. This is a platform where you can post your ads for free. You can also upgrade to the premium version if you like. You can see right here people who have posted their ads on this platform. You can see some of them are getting up to 622 views. When you scroll down, you can see others are even getting more than that. You can see this one, the fellow got 97. When you scroll down, there are others that are getting up to thousands. You can see this ad got 3,595 views, and there are many others. When you scroll down, you can see this one got 2,856 views, and many others. As a school, you can see the next one 2,768, and many others. You can see a whole lot of different ads and the number of views that they are getting. You can see they are getting a lot of views. So what we are going to do is that we are also going to post our ad onto this platform so that we can get many people to purchase the product for us to earn money. You can see a lot of different ads. To sign up for an account, you have to click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, you can be able to enter your details so that you can get access to a free account. You have to enter your email address, confirm your email address, enter your password, enter your first name, last name, username, phone number, that is optional, your location. You have to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then click right here, create account. Once you click on it, you can get access to a free account. If you want to connect it with your Google accounts, click on this icon so that it will be connected. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to post your ad onto the platform. To post your ad, you have to click right here, new post. Once you click on new post, you are going to see a page like this. You can publish a marketing ad, you can publish a job ad, you can publish an offer. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, we are going to be using the marketing ad because we want people to buy something from us. So click on marketing ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, I want to. So you have to click right here. Once you click on it, select I want to sell. Once that is done, you have to select the verticals. The verticals are simply the categories. So click on it and then select the right category. You can see different categories. Select the category that is related to the offer that you are promoting. You can see a whole lot of different categories. You can see a whole lot of different categories. You can see a whole lot of them. So select the one that you want so that you can promote it on this platform. So just select the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to select make money. Once that is done, you can select as many categories that you want. In this case, I'm going to select mobile content. So select all the categories that is related to the offer that you are promoting. Let's select surveys. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select the verticals, the next step is that you have to select the traffic sources. So click on it. Once you click on it, you have to select the traffic sources. So we are going to select blogs. Once that is done, you can also select email marketing, display. You can select lead generation. Just select as many traffic sources as you want. Let's select social media. You can also select search engine. Once you have selected the traffic sources, the next step is that you have to click right here on what basis. So if it is a CPA offer, you can select that. If it is a CPM, so any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, we are going to select cost per click. You can also select cost per mail. Any of them that you want, you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. There is also flat fee. You can select that. Just select any of them that you want. As you can see, they have a lot of them. Just select the one that you want. Now once that is done, you can see countries. You have to select the countries that you are targeting. This is one of the most important aspects because if you don't select a country where the people have the purchasing power to buy the product, you are going to be wasting your time. So you have to select the tier 1 countries where people have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn money. So what you have to do is that you have to search for Canada. Just click on it, search for Canada. You can see Canada right here. Click on it. United States, click on it. United Kingdom, click on it. Australia, click on it. You are going to select New Zealand. So New Zealand, click on it. As you can see, that has been done. You can also select South Africa. So you have South Africa. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have selected the countries, the next step is that you have to select the integration type. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see integration type. This is affiliate link. Just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see the languages. So in this case, the offer is in English, so let's select English. Once you select the language, the next step is that you have to select the platform. So click on it. It is allowed on desktop, it is also allowed on mobile, so just select both of them. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter your message right here. You can see the subject and the content. Once that is done, you have to now paste your message. Now what you have to do is that you have to go back on the product affiliate support page so that we can get a message and then paste it right here. So come on the affiliate support page. Once you come on the affiliate support page, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, email swipes. Once you click on the email swipes, you can see these are email swipes that you can use. When you click on the first one, you can see this is the subject and the message is below. So any of the email swipes that you want, you can use. You can see this is an email swipe. Apart from the first one, there are many others, so just select the one that you want. Let's check the fifth one. You can see the fifth one. This is it. So if you want, you can use this one. In this case, I'm going to be using the fifth one. So highlight and copy the subject. Once you highlight and copy the subject, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to highlight and then copy the body of the message. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter your affiliate link right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on the student for. Once you come back on the student for, click on copy promo link. Once that is done, you have to search for cartly.com. Once you search for cartly.com, you're going to see a page like this. Click on the first link. Once you click on the first link, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link right here, you have to click on shorten. Once you click on shorten, the link is going to shorten. You can see it has been shortened. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy. Once you copy your link, you're going to come back and then type a call to action here so that when people read the message, they can click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So what you have to do is that you have to type a call to action like copy and paste this link into your browser to get access to the offer, something like this. So something like this. Once that is done, you have to paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to submit your ad. So click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you can see your ad is active. You can see it right here, it is active. So when you scroll down, you can see your affiliate link is right here. So the viewers can copy it and then paste it onto their browsers so that they can get access to the offer through your affiliate link, and you are going to be paid anytime they purchase the product. If you want more traffic, what you have to do is that you have to bump this post. To bump it, click right here, bump this post. Once you click on it, what you have to do is that you have to make payment so that your post will be displayed to a lot of people, and you are going to get many of them who will purchase the product for you to earn money on Digits24. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.